Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a couple of startup companies that I have my eye on that will potentially be investing in the near future, as well as give you a little quick update on one of the other companies that I did invest in last year. So just to reiterate, guys, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Make sure you do your own research before investing. Also, if you find value in today's video, make sure that you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know when we release new content. So other than that, guys, let's dive right on into it. Alright guys, so first of all, if you're not familiar with this platform, startengine.com, basically this is a place where you can invest in startup companies, okay? And you can hold on to these shares, and when they go public, you'll be able to go trade them on your normal platforms such as TD Ameritrade, things like that, okay? If you do not want to hold on to them for that long, they do have a trading platform where you can buy and sell shares. Here, I have not used it yet just because the investments that I have are of the mindset of 5, 10, 15-year investments. So I'm really not worried about selling my shares at this time, okay? Easiest way to put this, guys, this is like a virtual Shark Tank. So for those of you who like the show on ABC, Shark Tank, and always thought, man, this would be so cool to be in that seat and be able to invest money. This is a way to do so, okay? And the investments, you have minimum investments of maybe like 150 bucks, 250 bucks. So it's not like you have to invest, hundreds of thousands of dollars like they do. And speaking of Shark Tank, this is Kevin O'Leary, one of the sharks. He actually invested money into the Start Engine platform, which made me feel really good because being that he's backing the platform, said a lot about basically their business model and things like that. So before I get into the new options, I'm just going to show you one of the companies that I did invest in last year. And all of these guys I'm going to link in the description below. That way you can watch the videos on the company and read a little bit about them. If I play the video, YouTube's probably going to flag me for copyright and stuff like that. So I can't play the video on this, but I can just kind of show you the gist of what you're doing. So when you look at the company's website or the profile page, you click the video. Usually they're anywhere from 1 to 3 minutes, and it tells you a little bit about the company. So it gives you the valuation, the amount of investors, the price per share, minimum investment, what type of shares offered, and it tells you what you're going to get. So I'm always looking for equity. I want to own part of that company, and then it'll tell you how many days are left for the most part. So this one, currently 0 days left, but it doesn't mean that they won't open it back up. So this was the first one that I invested in back last summer, and basically this company here deals with healing of acute, chronic, and minor wounds, and they have some products that are based off of buckwheat honey combined with other type of bioactive enhancements. Okay, and I want to say they actually have some type of agreement with the military where they're actually trying their products out and things like that. So this was really something that really kind of caught my attention, and I looked into it for a while and ended up investing in it. So this will be linked in the description below if you want to take a look at it. But their companies are currently, this company is currently selling their products on Amazon. Okay, and so like if if you wanted to go and try the products out, they are currently selling it, and it's really cool. You can go and actually check out their timeline of all their accomplishments, and as you see, they have something coming up in August of 20. Actually, it already passed August of 2020 and October of 2020 of the FDA approval of one of their creams. Okay, and then you see in the first quarter of 2021 they received the FDA approval. So they have a lot of good things happening for this particular company. So I'm excited to be a holder of this company. So the next one that I'm going to talk about, and I've actually invested in currently, this was one of the other companies I invested in along with SanMelix Laboratories, was GoSun. And this is my favorite one out of the two by far, guys. This one here deals with solar products such as coolers, ovens, solar tables, all kind of things. And basically they can cool off drinks in their solar coolers without ice. They can cook food in their solar ovens without charcoal or gas. And that's just really, really cool. So it says reasons to invest. The outdoor recreational industry is ripe for investment. In 2019, outdoor recreation accounted for $459.8 billion, and the industry has continued to soar throughout 2020. Solar and climate change investments are going viral. They more than double in 2020. GoSun has a proven track record of growth with 3.9 million in revenue in 2020, over 100,000 products sold across 70 countries, and 109% sales increase over 2019. They also have an experienced team with multiple successful exits and public IPOs that has developed a process for launching innovations that power essential needs with renewable energy. So that was another thing that kind of caught my attention was, these guys are experienced in going public and having some good exits. So I wanted to be a part of that. So these are just some of the products that they have. As you see the solar table, they have these power packs where you can charge your phone and things like that. Coffee brewers, they have these coolers tables. Here's your ovens. So this will be linked in the description below. But what I wanted to kind of mention about the trading platform. So back whenever I invested in this company, I bought in at I think $1.30 a share. So now it's at $5 a share. So if I wanted to go and trade and buy and sell this my shares on this trading platform, I could leave today with a profit. Maybe not $5 a share because that's what they're offering, but what if I wanted to go and maybe sell it for $4 a share? That's still a really good return on my investment. But right now they did open another round of fundraising for the company, so I'm considering buying more. Even I know it is a little bit more expensive than I paid for last time, but I don't care because I see this going a lot higher than even $5 a share, right? So $250 is your minimum investment for this particular company. Next one up is Camp365, and these are basically some campers that you can haul with even your smallest SUV or UTV, while it keeps it. You can actually like compact it down to where it's a lot a lot easier to operate. You don't have to keep the camper at full size. Okay, you can like fold it down, and you can move it like literally by yourself just by rolling it out. So you can see here, you can pop it up and then pop it down, and that's basically the size of what it is whenever you're going to tow it. Okay, so that's your traditional RV or camper, and this is what it would be like carrying this or hauling this particular camper. They have a leveling system on there where, if you're on uneven ground, you could easily level it. Okay, and they have air conditioner. It's solar ready, and they talk about it can sleep up to 6 adults in the camper. So this is one that I'm kind of keeping an eye on as well, and I'm kind of interested in. So it's just something, it looks innovative. It looks like it's something that's disruptive. And I was like, man, this is kind of neat, considering that, I know people who had to buy campers and stuff during the hurricanes. It's just something that kind of caught my attention. But as you can see here, I mean, look how convenient that is to to haul this thing around as opposed to your traditional RV or traditional camper. And next one, guys, is TruBrain. And TruBrain, this is basically brain food. This is one that I wanted to invest in a long time ago, and I missed it because I had just got familiar with Start Engine, and they actually closed the offering down. Okay, so TruBrain is a profitable brand in high-performance cognitive nutrition with over $14 million in lifetime sales. We deliver patent-pending brain food designed by neuroscientists to enhance your memory, focus, sleep, and more. Our personalized formulas will empower you to be the best version of your unique self. So it says reasons to invest: $14 million in lifetime sales. They achieved profitability in 2019. $2.9 million raised from leading venture capitalists, including Sherpa Ventures and 500 startups, and over 1,500 social investors. taking patent pending brain food formulas into the world of personalized healthcare. Okay, so this one here is quite interesting. This was one that, like I said, I wanted to get in way back when, and I missed it. So I'm kind of excited. I'm probably for sure going to go ahead and get some of this. For sure, this one and GoSun, I think, are the ones that I'm going to buy into. And the Camper 365 is still something that I'm not 100% certain or sold on just yet. So the things about these companies, guys, or you want to make sure that if you're putting money into this company, you need to be, um, of the mindset of, like I said, long term. Okay, I know you can actually go and sell and trade these things, but the money that's going into these things need to be something that if you lost it tomorrow, it would not be a big deal. Okay, that um, you're putting it in, and you're just gonna have to wait and wait and wait, and with the understanding that you might not get anything out of it right away. Okay, it's a longer term investment. So anyway, guys, all of these are going to be linked in the description below. Take a look at them, watch the video, comment below, let me know what you think, because out of these three, the GoSun, Camp365, and TruBrain, I really just wanted to invest in one. So considering two, but I really wanted to invest in one. So let me know your feedback, and let me know what your favorite ones are, and if you're going to invest on any of these as well. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Make sure that you smash the thumbs up button if you found value in today's video. And if you enjoy our content, of course, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.